I don't know how to do it, so I have to start this video all over again.
They actually don't.
Come do it then. Come do it because I don't know how to do it.
Make another video and then I'll add it.
Okay, guys. So I'm sorry. I accidentally touched something, the wrong thing, and here's the ornament I was trying to show you for the door. Isn't it cute? I didn't want to do a traditional wreath, so I think this ornament is just as cute as any other wreath. And then I was trying to show you the rug on the floor that I have, the little Christmas rug. There it is. So, and then we're gonna put lights. We're gonna put lights around the door. So I'll do that off camera. But let me finish getting this meal ready with you guys. Hold on a second. Let me turn this camera back around and close the door. Let me check on my baked potato. Give me a second. It's ready. I got my butter. Let me get my cheeses and my sour cream. Now I could do it like the other girl did hers that I saw on TikTok, but because I'm so hungry, I don't feel like doing all that, so I'm not gonna do it today. But I will try that another time where I take the middle part out. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna put some of this other cheese on there, no? Okay, hold on. These are Idaho potatoes. I'm going to put the butter on first. I almost just cut myself.
Are you okay?
I am okay, darling, but almost. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna season these potatoes just a little bit. I don't have any salt or pepper right now, so I'm just gonna use whatever seasonings I choose to use. I know I have steak. You might think I have steak quite a bit, but I just catch it on sale because I can't afford to, buy a steak like that. But I am going to do seafood for New Year's. I saw some crab on sale. That's going to be on sale through the first of the year. And I saw some big jumbo shrimp on sale, so I will be doing a seafood video. As you know, seafood is my favorite. Steak will be my second favorite. Just melting the butter. And then in the baked potato. And I'm going to season this with whatever I want to season it with. Let's see. I may just put just a little bit of Montreal because it kind of has like a little bit of saltiness to it and a little bit of pepper in there, Montreal. I just season it with that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cheese on here on the bottom, and then I'll add cheese to the top. And then I'll add cheese to the top after I put my diced steak on there. Again, these are KC strip steak. Sometimes I use New York steak. This is just regular Mexican cheese. And then I really like Italian cheese. Italian cheese just has a different flavor to it. And I like Italian cheeses and Parmesan cheeses a lot. I use those quite a bit. This is the Italian cheese. Italian cheese just adds so much flavor, like to your salad, um, different things. So I've diced up the steak. So I'm gonna put the steak on here. I could have diced it up smaller, guys, but it is what it is. It's just me and Talia. I do beat my steak before I cook it. I beat it because I like it to be really tender. I don't use tenderizers because sometimes it's too salty with your other flavors, your other seasonings, so I don't use tenderizers. Just about done. What do you guys like to watch on Sundays? I like to watch The Equalizer. But my granddaughter said it's not on today. It normally comes on Sundays. Maybe it had the season finale or something. I like Yellowstone, the clean version. I just realized that they have a not so clean version, and I don't like all of that at all. But Yellowstone, I like a good western. Okay, so I'm going to. Now that I got the steak on there, I'm gonna add more cheese. I'll show you when this is melted, when this is done, melted, guys. And then I'll add the sour cream. The girl is hungry. I've been out shopping. I came home earlier at 8 to fix myself some noodles. So I didn't have very much to eat earlier. So your girl is hungry. So after I show you this, I will be sitting down and eating. Hold on. Oh, I need that. I'm going to have me a good old delicious Sprite. There is nothing better than a can of Sprite, and I love the mini cans because if I get the bigger cans, your girl will be in trouble. So I try to keep the mini cans. Sprite is absolutely my favorite. I don't have nothing against the other drinks. My second favorite will be Cherry 7-Up, but that Starry stuff, no ma'am, no sir. Sprite. There's nothing better than a can of Sprite. Hold on, guys. Let me put it all on one plate instead of two. Because it didn't melt very good. And my potato is falling apart. I want you to be able to see it, but I don't want it to look messy. Taste delicious. I'll tell you that. It tastes magically. Magically delicious. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm just getting over a cold. I usually buy the Belafonte sour cream and chives. I always like chives in my And my sour cream, I do not like plain sour cream. I love it with the chives. Okay. I wanted to plate this a little differently, but it is what it is. I need 2 forks. Hold on. All right, guys, let me see if I can get this on here without it falling apart. The potato keeps trying to fall apart on me. Yeah, it keeps trying to fall apart on me. Oh no, don't fall. It feels like I'm missing something on here, and I don't know what it is. Hers was a lot more salt, had a lot more sauciness to it. So, all right, I'm gonna add this sour cream. Leah, I'm on a vlog. Can you turn that down some so they can hear me and not the TV? Thank you, baby. Okay, I'm going to show you one plate because my other one is kind of falling apart. So I'm going to just show you one right now. Next time I am going to make it more saucy. The way that I saw the other young lady make it, just so it can have some ooziness to it. Here is the baked potato. Can you see that? The baked potato with diced KC strip steak. I have sour cream on top. I have shredded cheddar cheese, mozzarella Italian cheese. I also added butter and seasonings to the potato. There is the finished plate. I hope that you guys would try it. I think it'll be better with a saucier cheese where it can ooze off the sides and over this. So I will continue to get better and perfect this. This is only my second time trying this, but it was really good the first time. But I'm gonna try it with more of a sauciness to my cheese the next time so that it can ooze over the sides and be a looser, cheese. So anywho, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed spending time with you guys. Please like and subscribe and share this video, guys. I love you. If nobody has told you that they love you today, I do. Don't give up on yourself. Things have been tough for a lot of people, including me. I'm finally coming out of my wilderness season. But if you've had a season of wilderness and a season of trial, I want you to know that God loves you. Maybe he's trying to show you something in that season. I know he was trying to show me something. He was trying to cause me to really trust him and for me to really seek him and depend and rely on him. And so he could be showing you the very same thing. And I just want you to know that he loves you. Jesus gave his life for you. It's not too late for you to turn things around. No matter how you started, it's how you finish in life. So that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you guys to the moon and back. And I will see you on the next vlog. Peace. Oh, guys, stay tuned for my decorations. My grandkids are going to come over and help me decorate the tree, and I'll vlog that. But they're young now. They are 2, 4, and 5. And then I have 2 older grandchildren, one who I'm raising. She's 11. My oldest granddaughter is 12. She'll be 13 in February. She might not be here yet, but I will definitely show that. Them helping me decorate the tree. And also, please stay tuned for my holiday cooking. I did not cook for Thanksgiving, but I am cooking for Christmas. And I am going to cook collard greens, mustards, mac and cheese, homemade, turkey, ham, dressing. I'm going to do all of that. And I'm going to go ahead and vlog that. All right, guys. Until the next video. Peace.